So I was in LA last week, stopped by and see my good friend, Chef Joseph, at his new restaurant, La Casa 11, trendiest, hottest restaurant there is. Anyways, we were talking about the side dish, which was a rice dish. It was so amazing. I got the recipe. He gave it to me. We're doing it next. Irresistible rice on Buzz Cooks next. Stick around. All right, everybody, let's get right into this amazing irresistible rice. What you're going to need is one yellow or brown onion that we're just going to dice up into little tiny pieces, and then we'll put that aside. Next, after that, you're going to need 4 green onions, and we're going to chop up the green onions nice and small as well. You're going to need some extra virgin olive oil, high quality, a nice sized saucepan, some jasmine rice, and water. And that's all we're going to need for this amazing dish. So once we get these green onions cut up, we'll put those in a bowl as well, and we'll set those aside. And while I'm doing that, if I can remind you to please like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and family all about the channel. Make sure you hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. And please hit a like and comment if you can. It really helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm. I put out a new show every Sunday and every Wednesday. Alright, so we got our saucepan out. And we got good quality extra virgin olive oil. And we're just going to put a good amount pour on the bottom. Normally you'd stop there. We're going to do a little bit more, just like that. Now we're going to turn the heat on to medium-low. And once that oil starts to heat up, we're going to add our onions. There we go. We'll start to saute those onions up. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And once we get those onions sauteed up, we're going to add 1½ cup of jasmine rice right into the oil and onions. Just like that. Now, for the next 4 to 5 minutes, we're just going to keep stirring and mixing and mixing and stirring. And we're basically, I guess you would say, roasting the rice. Okay? Not only are you getting it mixed up with the oil real well, you're actually starting to toast and roast that rice, which really adds flavor to the final dish. So once we get all that done, we're going to add 2 cups of water right to the rice. Just like that. We're going to turn our heat on high because we want to bring this to a quick boil. We'll mix it up real good, and as soon as we get some action there and get some boiling, we're going to turn the flame as low as it'll go, and we'll put the lid right on top of the rice, and we'll leave it alone for 20 minutes. Just like that. That's what you're looking for there. Turn the fire off, put the lid on, and don't touch it for 20 minutes. Now 20 minutes later, we're going to come back. We're going to take the lid off. We're going to add our green onions. We'll mix it up real well. Then we'll turn the flame completely off. Let it sit for another 5 minutes, and then you are ready to serve the most delicious, irresistible rice you've had ever, maybe, but in a long time for sure. All right, hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a comment, hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. Come back often. I hope you enjoy the show, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.